Google VEO3 is revolutionary. Many platforms are now offering Google VEO3 generations within their platform. Galaxy AI just introduced Google VEO3 into their platform, and it's amazing. Stick with me, and I'm going to tell you why it's probably not a good idea to generate VEO3 videos in Galaxy AI, and I'm also going to compare Google VEO3 with Kling AI's 2.1 version, which does sound generations, and we'll see which one came out better. All right, let's do this. Okay, so the first thing I did is what probably most people do, is they go to ChatGPT to help create a prompt. So the first thing that I did was I asked ChatGPT to format it for a Google VEO3 prompt. So here it is, and I copied and pasted this into Kling's 2.1 version, which does sound generations. And this is what it came out with.
It's absolutely things that shall make release.
I don't even think that's a language. It's just mumbo jumbo at this point. So what I did was I created a dialogue and I went into the lip sync feature, and this is what Kling AI came up with.
I bet you $1 million that sidewalk collapses. Watch.
Okay, and then she said something else at the end, but that wasn't a part of the dialogue, so that was weird. There are no ambient sounds either, which sounds funny, right? So it did a voice, it did a lip sync, and then it has this weird AI voice. Kling AI is just dropping the ball on their voice choices. Now, 11 Labs is a whole different story. If they could integrate 11 Labs voices in Kling AI, then we'd be onto something, but they're dropping the ball. Anyway, so I took this prompt, the same exact prompt, and I brought it into Galaxy AI, into the AI video generator, and about 15 minutes later, aspect ratio 9:16, and here we go. So this is what Google VEO3 did in Galaxy AI.
That crack wasn't there a second ago.
Now it's only 7 seconds. Kling AI did a 10-second, which I think is a little bit better. This was supposed to be 8 seconds, but overall, it is much, much better than Kling AI's generation. Kling AI got some work to do, and I love Kling for its video generations, but Google VEO3 is going to blow it out of the water. Now, the reason why I wouldn't recommend using Google VEO3 in Galaxy AI is because it uses 7.5 million credits to generate one 8-second video. You get 15 million credits per month, so that means in 16 seconds you would have used up all of your monthly credits. So it's not quite there yet. It's costly. And if you were going to subscribe to Google VEO3, it's $125 for 3 months, and then it jumps up to $250 a month. Now, I don't know how many videos you can create with that subscription. This technology is unbelievable. I am absolutely going to be subscribing to Google VEO3, so be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I will be generating a lot of content with this new technology. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you joining our community, and I will see you all on the next video.